at another level. Lift Jesus up.
Hallelujah.
When the challenge comes, we like, Jesus, get out of the way. I got this. And we forget my salvation. I forget the word of encouragement. I forget what the Bible said. And I put Jesus down. And that's why I have to face the challenge on myself. But when I lift Jesus up and say the word of God says that by his stripe, come on. You can't lift God up without acknowledging his word. Because the Bible said in the beginning was the word, and the word was with God, and the word was God. If every time you're facing a challenge, the last thing on your mind is what God said, God is not being lifted up in that situation.
Come on now.
For everything that's visible, the Bible said in Hebrews 11 and verse 3, that by faith we understand that the world was framed by the word of God, so that the things that are seen was not created by things that are seen, but by things that are not seen. And so what God did, everything that God did, he did it by what? By faith. And so when God gave us his faith, God stripped himself of his very power and he deposited it on the inside of us. Don't you understand that the instant that you apply faith, you unlock the God quality in you. You unlock the God power in you. You unlock the God essence in you. You unlock the God reality in you. You unlock the God victory in you. You unlock the very presence and the power and the might of God. See, faith releases God on the inside of you. You are not a victim. You are not a victim of your situation. Just because you're stressed out don't mean that thing could kill you. Because if it could have killed you, you would have been stressed out the past 15 years. You would have dead and gone. But he can't do nothing else. The trouble that you have is what you're doing to yourself. Lift Jesus up. Raise yourself and stand on the word of God. Let God be your platform that you stand on. And say, for God I